How to hide your balance on SafePal. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using SafePal and want a little more privacy while using your wallet, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch open the SafePal application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the wallet page, go ahead and look for the balance option at the top of the screen. This is where you'll see your accounts or your wallet's balance. To hide your balance, tap on the eye icon right next to balance option. Now you'll be able to see that your balance is now hidden, usually replaced with asterisks or blurred numbers. Now, people around you can't see your balance. If you want to check your balance again, tap on the closed eye icon right next to balance, and there you go. Keeping your crypto balance private is a smart move, especially if you are in public or sharing your screen. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.